Hey friends, if you're looking for a quick healthy snack or breakfast that tastes like a tropical dessert, you're going to love this coconut mango chia pudding with Greek yogurt. It's creamy, naturally sweet, high protein, and packed with protein. Let's jump in. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of rich coconut cream, 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of mango puree, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey if you like it a bit sweeter. Start by whisking together the coconut cream and Greek yogurt until smooth. This combo gives the pudding that thick, creamy texture we love. Next, add your sweetener of choice and stir in the chia seeds. Make sure everything is fully combined. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then give it another stir so the seeds don't clump. Now pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or overnight if you're prepping for tomorrow. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and thicken into a pudding. Before serving, add your mango puree on top or layer it in between for extra flavor. You can even sprinkle some toasted coconut or chopped fruit for a little crunch. And there you have it, coconut mango chia pudding with Greek yogurt. So easy, so satisfying, and 100% delicious. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and let me know in the comments what healthy treat you'd like to see next.